expecting snow today. The weather people are just, they're just horrible. They should have their pay docked when they're wrong. They might get it right a little more often. Not really plowable snow. It is sticking to the roads. Definitely sticking to the grass. I think they said less than an inch, but it's got to be probably half an inch on the cement in front of the shop. So it's a decent amount of snow out here. Our first snow that's actually sticking to the road is really good. We had a snow earlier and it just stuck to the grass. Really didn't stick to the roads all that much. But just running the dog here. Nice warm cab. So I'm out here enjoying this nasty weather.